Welcome to Expert SCM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term ship papers. These are documents which a merchant ship is required to carry and consist of a register, logbook, charter party, must roll, ship's article, bill of health, bill of lading, manifest or general statement of cargo, invoices or a statement of cost of goods, clearance or permission from the port authorities to sail, certificate of inspection, passenger list if passengers are carried, bill of sale if the ship has been sold together with consular certificate, officer's license and license to carry on port the trade. Sometimes the ship's register is replaced or accompanied by a passport if the ship is employed in the United States coastal trade. Normally in the international trade, this document is required for inspection by either coastal authority or custom authority to ensure that genuine items are being transported and not illegal items or immigrants are transported. Similar things are applicable even in a road. Whenever we hand over the consignment to a full truck, we check the documents starting from driver license, the health of the vehicle and the insurance. So many things even before we hand over the consignment. Of course, for the rail transport and air transport we don't check it, but they are essential in case of international transport. Thanks for watching. Bye.